Oh, you tell me stories, you tuck me in, and the second you leave I call.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? So I'm here with UpgradeU here today. It's the first time I'm trying on a wig from them, so I'm excited. This is the packaging, so let's see what we got. So firstly, I'm seeing the wig, and we got a few goodies on the inside of the bag. Have a scrunchie here, extra elastic band. I have a wig cap, another scrunchie, and I got a pair of lashes. That's everything. For today's wig, I have this water wave wig. It looks really nice. It doesn't look like just a 1B. It looks like a number 1 because it's on the darker side for sure. So I love the color. This is 24 inches long and it's 180% in density. So I absolutely love that. And you know, the information was listed on the bag as well. So you know, that's a good refresher. So for this is a full-on 13x6 lace front wig. So you have a nice parting space. It's a medium brown lace. If you want to go in further and bleach this, you could, because the knots are not bleached, but it is a brown lace. It has adjustable straps in the back and a total of 3 combs in the inside of the cap, and it is a medium size cap as well. It is pre-plucked nicely, so I do appreciate that. Came with this little baby hair portion in the front, and it's really nice and soft and full to the tip of the hair. As I said, this is 24 inches long. It does look very true to length, and I can appreciate that. So now that you see that, let's go ahead and put this on. This, you know, a 13x6 is always good for a nice deep parting. So I think I might do a nice deep side part for this. Let's go. Lining up the lace on my natural hairline, and I cut away the excess lace out of my face so that I can, you know, install this more comfortably. And I'm using my Got2b adhesive to do this today. Hairline looks pretty decent. As I say, you could go in and pluck this further if you wish. You know, you could do further customization and get it to your liking. You know, it's all up to you, but I'm actually giving you options, so I'm wearing it directly out of the box to show you that, you know, you could go ahead and rock it like this as well. So as usual, you know, I'm using my blow dryer on cool air, and even though this wig is like 24 inches long, it really was manageable. You know, it wasn't weighty or anything, so I love that. Love that. And I also love the fact that this is a 13x6. If I had to choose either a 13x6 or a 13x4, I'm definitely going to choose a 13x6 because, you know, you got more lace space to work with, and it's just something about a nice deep part that I love. Once I was done with, you know, applying my adhesive and all that stuff, I went around the hairline with my elastic band, and after melting that down a little bit more, I cut away the excess lace. After that, I pretty much go in and I start, you know, finessing the edges and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much what I was working on here. And once I was done with that, I kind of just wrap my elastic band around it to further melt it down. And then here's where I started to work on my parting. It was so easy to kind of like part, and I just love the way it looks, you know, the fall that it had and everything. It's really nice. So pretty much I'm just, you know, laying this to get it as flat as possible, and it was so easy to lay. Like usually with curlier textures, you have to kind of work over time to get them to lay this flat, but I feel like because, you know, the hair isn't, it's nice and dense, but it's not like overly dense, if you get what I mean, at least not in the top part of the wig. So I love that. I absolutely love that. And actually further down in the video, you see where I use my concealer to make the parting a little bit more, you know, nice and precise and visible. So yeah, I also, you know, got the hair wet, which I just used water for that, and you'll see that in a bit as well. But look at that, it's looking so beautiful and luscious. It's really gorgeous. So I'm really enjoying this look. I am loving it. As I said, it's just water, nothing else but water, because I wanted it to get that nice little fluff. You know, I know it's not gonna get like extremely big, but I wanted it to get that nice little fluff. I just wanted to define the curls a little bit more, and that's the reason why I'm going in with the water. And yeah, that's pretty much it for what I did for this wig today. So this is how we're looking. I got a nice deep part, as I said I would do, and the hair itself is so soft, it's very full. I absolutely love it. The movement, everything is really nice. The luster looks very realistic. So shout out to UpgradeU here for this gorgeous wig. It's an amazing, nice curly vibe. If you're looking something for something like this, it's a really nice, pretty look. And it's, even though it's 24 inches, it's not heavy, and you know, as you can see, it's very full. Usually, you know, when it comes on to this type of texture, if it's like a lot of hair, then it's heavy, or there's a little weight. I mean, it does have a little weight, but it's really not even that noticeable. So that's really nice. The shedding is very standard, very minimal. There is shedding, but very minimal. So yeah, so that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be sure to list all the information on this wig in my description box, as well as the direct link, so go ahead, check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Oh, I'm doing things I shouldn't know.